Hi, today I'm going to read about my favorite collection, my Rubik's Cubes. This is my first favorite, mine and my sister's, because we have the same one. This is my second favorite, my mom's. This is my third favorite. This is my dad's. This is my least favorite. This one is the one that we first had. Now I'm going to start reading. My third favorite collection is my Rubik's Cubes because I love cubing and solving the Rubik's Cube, and I like racing with my family. But my big sister is faster than me. I like my big sister's Rubik's Cube the best because they are the smoothest, softest, and easiest to turn and solve. My dad agrees with me, and my dad said, "I think your Rubik's Cube is better than any of the other Rubik's Cubes. Also, it has bright colors like in the rainbow." My second favorite Rubik's Cube is my mom's because it's also smooth and soft, but not as much as mine and my sister's. Also, it has brighter colors than mine. My third favorite Rubik's Cube is my dad's because when you turn it, it makes some noise and not as smooth or soft as the other Rubik's Cubes. My least favorite Rubik's Cube is the one that we first had. It's very stiff and the colors are very dark. It makes lots of noise when you turn it. Also, the pieces keep falling apart. It's fun to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube, and it's easy if you practice. Solving it is so much fun. Bye!